Hi guys, it's Jenny, and I got more Coca-Cola good news that you want to know. Especially if you're like me, and well, you know. And of course, if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, and you like this stuff as much as I do, well, this is where you need to be, because I followed the sales on this like nobody's business. And well, I try to provide you with sales on everything and awesome information on things that pertain to saving money. So if you like deal steals, glitches, and awesome information, and hanging out with some of the best folks on the internet, well, hit the subscription button below and that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of the deal steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information that I provide for you on a daily basis. Alright guys, let's just jump right into the Coca-Cola deal, because it is such a fantastic deal. We need to start stocking up for the summer, because you know the kids will be out of school, you got company coming over, you got lake trips. Let's get this stuff cheap while we can. And well, we as always don't know where the prices are going except for up. So, right now, the Coke 12 packs are 3 for $13. And you got a $3 off when you purchase 3. That makes it 3 for $10. Now, that in itself is a phenomenal deal. So, go stock up on your favorite Coke products, okay? Now, it gets even better if you want to try to do this on Saturday. Not quite sure how it will roll on Saturday, but I would maybe do 3 of these, 3 Pepsis, because you got a Pepsi coupon for $2, and the Pepsi's on sale 3 for $13 too. At least I think it is. So super cheap sodas, and do this deal more than once. Now we also have an apparent glitch. Now, whether or not this will work together, I do not know, because I haven't been able to put it in my cart. When I get to the store today, I will try this deal, because this is a stand-alone deal. You don't need to wait until Saturday. Matter of fact, if I was you, I wouldn't, because the product may be all gone. Your favorite flavors may be gone. So, I'm not going to wait, because, like I said, this is a stand-alone deal. I don't think I could get it much cheaper. I could get more stuff, but maybe not much cheaper. So, let's go look at the glitch, guys. Now, these are on sale, as you can see, 3 for $13 or 2 for $14. Who would want to get 2 for $14? You're going to get 3 for $13. Let's look for that other Coca-Cola coupon. Now, okay, let me mention this first. If you're doing this deal in an older operating system store, and I think that's where I'm going to go try to do this deal, is in the older operating system store. If you pick up 2 of the Bright and Clean toothbrushes, you're going to have $1 in overage. So already you're going to get 3 for $9, guys, okay? 3 for $9 using the Crest overage deal in an older operating system store. So even if the glitch does not attach, you still have that one to work with. Now this is the glitching coupon. We have $1 off when you buy 2 20 ounces, but look, it's attaching to the 12 packs of Coke. And look what comes up underneath it. The $3 off and the sale. So, this is so exciting because now you're at 9 with the toothbrushes. Now you're at 8 for 3 12-packs of Coke product. $8 for 3 12-packs of Coke products. Now that is a definite winner chicken dinner, guys. So like I said, do not wait to take advantage of this deal because the product will quite possibly be all gone. Now while we're here, sitting outside in this beautiful day, we got a community member whose family needs some prayer, and I'm talking about Williams Ranch. Some G-Paw, a little under the weather, and well, they need some healing prayers. So if you take a moment and well, send your best wishes to Gima at Williams Ranch for her and G-Paw. Okay. So blessings to them and quick healing for him. Alright. So another, well, it's the same beautiful day as it was earlier. But that video ran a little long, so I decided to hop over here. Now before you leave, please do not forget to leave a comment and an emoji. Super important right now for YouTube. And just share it. Just share it to anybody, anything. Just hit it onto Facebook. Wherever, you may be. Just share it. I greatly appreciate it. Because, again, that's one of those things that YouTube is looking at. Is, are my subscribers sharing the content? Because if they're sharing it, they're enjoying it. And it is their benefit from it, and that's what they're looking for. So blessings, and we'll talk again because I'm still out here looking for all those deals, steals, glitches for you guys.